quick, what time is it?
Wait, why? Are you late?
Yes, I mean, maybe. I don't have a watch.
Okay, relax, Lucas. It is 10 o'clock.
Oh, phew. Okay, good.
But hey, welcome to English Pod Center. That was a good real-life test.
Right, because asking for the time, it is hard.
Very, especially in English. Like, what do you usually say?
I usually just point at my wrist and say, time?
No, don't do that. It is a little rude.
Wait, rude? Why?
Because you sound like a robot. Time. We need to be polite.
Oh, okay, so how do I ask politely?
The most common way, like the easiest one, is just, what time is it?
What time is it? That's it?
That's it. Simple. But, add excuse me first.
Oh, right. Excuse me, what time is it?
Perfect. You sound very good already, Lucas.
Wow, okay. But wait, I heard another one.
Yeah? What did you hear?
Someone said, do you have the time?
Ah, yes. That is a very, very good phrase.
But I don't get it. Do they want my watch?
No, they don't want to take your watch.
Good, because I like my watch when I wear one.
So, do you have the time just means what time is it?
Okay, but what if I say, do you have time? No the.
Oh, wow. Okay, stop. Huge difference, Lucas.
Wait, really? Just one small word? The?
Yes. If you ask, do you have time, you are asking if they are busy.
Like, do you have time to drink coffee?
Exactly. It's like asking for a date or a long talk.
Oh, no. So if I ask a stranger, do you have time?
They might think you want to talk to them for an hour.
Geez. Okay, I must remember the. Do you have the time?
Right. It's like a magic key. The word the unlocks the clock.
The magic key. Got it. So what if they answer?
Well, usually they just say the numbers, like it's 2:30.
2:30. Okay, so 2 and 30 minutes.
Yep. Or it's 4:15. Super easy.
But wait, my old teacher said half past.
Oh, the past in 2 words. Yeah.
I hate those. They are so confusing, Luna.
I know. It's okay. Let's make it simple.
Please, because my brain hurts.
Okay, imagine the clock is a pizza.
Pizza. I like this already.
Right. So cut the pizza in half.
Done. Half a pizza.
When 30 minutes go by, we say half tossed. Like half the pizza is gone.
Oh, so 2:30 is 2:30?
Exactly. You ate half the hour.
I ate half the pizza. Wow, that makes sense.
Right? And what about 15 minutes? That is a quarter of the pizza.
A quarter, so a quarter past?
Yes. So 2:15 is a quarter past 2.
Wait, let me try. 4:15 is a quarter past 4?
Boom, you got it, Lucas.
I am so smart. Or you are a good teacher, Luna.
Maybe both. But what happens when we get close to the next hour?
Wait, the next hour? Like going to 3 o'clock?
Yeah, exactly. Like 2:45.
45 past 2?
Nope. I mean, you can say 2:45.
Oh, good. 2:45. That is easy.
But people usually look at the next hour. Like, how many minutes left until 3?
Oh, 15 minutes left?
Right. And 15 minutes is?
A quarter. The pizza slice.
Yes. So we say a quarter to 3. A quarter to 3. Wait, not past? Right, not past. 2 means we are going to 3 o'clock. Oh, so we need 1 more quarter of pizza to make 3 whole pizzas. Yes, perfect. We need 1 more slice to reach 3 o'clock. Okay, I like that. What about 2:50? Okay, how many minutes left until 3? 10 minutes. So, what do you say?
10 to 3?
Boom! Yes, 10 to 3.
Wow, this is so easy.
It is. You just use past for the first 30 minutes.
Right, like 10 past 2, 2:30.
Exactly. And then you use 2 for the last 30 minutes.
20 to 3, 10 to 3.
You are a clock master now, Lucas.
I am the Time Lord. Wait, is that a word? Time Lord?
Sure, why not? Let's practice real quick.
Okay. Test me, Luna. I am ready.
All right, 5:20. What is it?
5:20. So 20 past 5.
Nice. Okay, 8:40.
8:40. Oh, wait, that is past 30.
Yep. Think about the next hour.
The next hour is 9. So 20 minutes left.
Yes.
20 to 9.
Yes. High five.
Wow, that feels so good when you get it right.
It really does. Okay, one more, a hard one.
Oh no, I hate hard ones.
You can do it. 12 o'clock at night.
12 at night. Just 12 o'clock?
Yes, but there is a special word for it.
A special word, like dark time?
No, not dark time. It is midnight.
Midnight. Oh, middle of the night.
Exactly. And 12 o'clock in the day?
Midday?
Yes, midday, or we also say noon.
Noon, like afternoon. That makes so much sense.
Right? English is very simple sometimes.
I love this. I'm going to ask everyone the time now.
Do it. Go ask a stranger on the street today.
I will. I will say, excuse me, is it a quarter past pizza?
No, please do not say pizza to strangers.
I'm joking. They will think I am crazy.
Well, guys, we hope this helps you tell time. Practice asking your friends today.
Yeah, and hey, if you liked this, please subscribe.
Yes, follow English Pod Center for more easy English. See you next time.